Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gyan Knowledge Hub. In this video, we'll discuss the periodic assessment 2, subject science, class 7. So let us start the video, but before that, if you are new on the channel, please subscribe it. So viewers, this test is for 25 marks and maximum time is 1 hour, and all the questions are compulsory and marks are allocated along the questions. So first question is multiple choice questions. If we denote speed by t, the distance by s and time by d, relationship between these quantities is d is equal to s into t, d is equal to t by s, d is equal to 1 by t into s, or t is equal to s by d. So you have to choose the correct option. The lower chambers of heart are called arteria, ventricles, vena cava or aorta. Assertion reason based question. The question consists of two statements printed as assertion and reason. While answering the question, both you are required to choose any one of these four choices. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are correct but R is the incorrect explanation of A. A is correct but R is incorrect. A is incorrect but R is correct. So assertion is heart is a tissue which acts as pump. And reason is the heart sends blood throughout our bodies, carrying oxygen to every cell. So you have to apply your mind whether heart is a tissue or not. So you have got the hint. Now you can write the correct answer. Read the following passage and answer the questions. Circulatory system is one of the most important systems of body because it ensures the exchange of substances between cells of the body and external environment and transports them from one part to another. Body fluids are the medium of transport in the body. These fluids have the ability to pick up substances and distribute them to various parts of the body. Blood has two components, fluid part and different types of cells. So what is the name of the fluid part of the blood? You know it? Plasma. Which blood cells contain hemoglobin? This also you know, RBCs. So next question. The average age of children in class 7 is 11 years and 11 months. Express this age in seconds. So you have to calculate it. A spaceship travels 1,44,000 kilometers in 1 hour. Express its speed in kilometer per second. Next, give the name of the solid component of blood that contains less than 10% water. Which blood type is known as a universal donor? Observe the given figure and label the indicated parts. So you know it is a stethoscope and you have to name the labeled parts. Next, identify the time measuring device given below. That what was the principle behind the working of this device? So you can see the picture is little bit faded, but you can see that it is a sand timer. Next, what is the difference between periodic and non-periodic motion? The following figure shows the distance time graph for the motion of two objects D and E. Which one of them is moving slower? Next, the following figure shows the distance time graph for the motion of two vehicles C and D. At what time and distance from the starting point will they cross each other? Clear? Next, state the factors on which the time period of a simple pendulum depends. Explain the structure of a simple pendulum with the help of a well-labeled diagram. Write the standard international unit of average speed. Now next question. Distance between Bholu's and Golu's house is 9 km. Bholu has to attend Golu's birthday party at 7 o'clock. He started his journey from his home at 6 o'clock on his bicycle and covered a distance of 6 kilometers in 40 minutes. At that point, he met Chintu. He spoke to him for 5 minutes and reached Golu's birthday party at 7 o'clock. With what speed did he cover the second part of his journey? Calculate his average speed for the entire journey. So little bit tough, but if you will read the question carefully, you will understand. Arrange the events in the circulatory system in the correct order and write your answer in the correct sequence. So this is the figure given, and below this the events are given and you have to arrange the events in the correct order. So that is all for this question paper. For other subjects also you can visit the playlist, and if you find the video useful, please like and share.